Hi guys, I'm back with another mold testing today. This one is a flower. It's a 2-part earring mold. It's very transparent, so I'm going to use some UV resin and see how this one turns out today. The bottom part, I'm going to use a green glitter that I've just added 2 glitters together, like a chunky hexagon and a really fine green one. Okay, so for the flower part, I've mixed up a sort of like semi-clear holographic purple glitter. I purchased that off AliExpress. Okay, so I'm going to grab my toothpick tool and make sure they're all in these connection bits here. I can see there's a bit air bubble there already. I'll make sure that that's okay before I get my little portable UV lamp, and I'm going to hit it for 2 30-second cycles on the top, and then I'm going to flip it and do 1 30-second cycle on the back, and I'll be back. Okay, time to unmold. So the good thing about this mold, because it's so transparent, is that you can actually sort of kind of flip it over and see if there's any air bubbles before you hit it with the UV resin. So it kind of cuts down on finding air bubbles. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to clean these up. I'm going to chip off these little bits here, get these gloves off, and I will put some earring hardware on them and I'll show you the finished product. And there you have it guys, the finished product. And I think they've turned out fantastic. Look at that. So I've just added an earring back and the jump rings between the two, and they're ready to wear. Give this mold from Shein a go. It was super quick and easy, and I love the end result. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you next time with some more resin mold testing. Bye.